Wagwan, it's a Jamaican Thing TV fans now, guys. We're there. You don't know, another day, another banger. Now, guys, we're in Harbour View. We're right in front of Carib Cement today, guys. As you can see, right in front of Carib Cement today. Now, I don't know, the book ship is here. Yeah, the book ship is here, guys, and right now we're going to board the book ship. And it's my first time actually boarding the book ship. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm not sure the name. I don't remember the name right now, but yeah, I'm going to tell you the name of the book ship, guys. So, without further ado, let's go. You don't know it's a boy, I do all out here.
It's a Jamaican thing, baby. So come on and join with me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this, the history. It's a Jamaican thing, baby. So come on and join with me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this, the history. So come on and check out this channel. Dual is YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though to like, subscribe, comment and share. Yeah, thank you. Jamaican Thing TV. So come on and join with me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this, the history. It's a Jamaican Thing TV. So come on and join with me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this, the history.
Alright, guys, so you actually enter the ship from the Carib Cement compound. So this is actually a section of the Carib Cement compound, as you guys can see. Now we're walking around to the area where we'll board the ship. Now it's a good look walking, guys, as you can see. See that? Good look walk all the way down there. So we're walking. Let's go. So we have killed two birds with the same stone, guys. So we're going to look at view of Carib Cement building. So I guess this is byproduct of what they use to make the cement. Alright guys, so you know we'll go through a little check at the security there. Oh, so Logos Hope. That's the name of the ship, guys. Logos Hope. So we walk. So we need to see over here, so alright. So the ship is the Logos Hope book ship, and we're walking over. Yeah guys, so nice to go walk over. Good look at the distance from all the way in the back there. But we are doing it, you know? Nice to go walk. Yeah guys, so we pay a $500 ticket as adult. To enter, kids are free. Pay my $500 ticket. Paid my $500 for my ticket, and we're going in. So this is the ship, guys. This is the ship boarding right here.
No worries, guys. Just when you trade in, if you keep your ticket safe, you can trade it in for a free bill. That's it. Yeah. Please watch your step when going up. It is quite steep, and no phones on the gangway. Yeah. No phones on the way up.
Okay. Okay. I trade the ticket for a book. Alright, so we're on the ship, guys. I think this is the way we go.
Cheesecake, drinks, hot dog. Please no food or drink inside the buffet. In Welcome Desk, you can more information for system the events on board the ship and the tour. Okay. In exit, you can change ticket to red for one book free. Okay. Enjoy your visit. God bless you.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, so we are inside the ship. So I guess they're gonna give us, show us a video we can get a better idea of the ship. Alright, let's see what the video is about.
Inside the book have center information desk for asking, cash desk, no work, debit card, and credit card Scotia Bank.
Scotia?
Yeah.
Okay.
But the credit card, okay, cash, okay. Scotia, no work. No. In discount item, 2 books or 2 items or blue bag for 2,000 Jamaican dollars. System the price unities, 100 unities equal 500 Jamaican dollar. Is heavy international cafe, popcorn, ice cream, cheesecake, drinks, okay?
Yeah.
Please no food or drink inside the buffet because we have a table and chair in international cafe. Have events and the tour in ship is if you have more information, welcome desk in exit. Have for okay. Enjoy your visit. Now the price, system the price. 100 units, equal 500 Jamaican dollars. Okay, system the price.
Alright, sorry.
Enjoy your visit. God bless. Okay.
So we're inside the book fair, guys. So I guess these are reading books. It's a reading book right there. I wonder if them all the books them would I use in Jamaica for school and everything.
Gotta get up, boss. Come here.
So these are classic books.
Put the thing down. Can I hold this for you with my
Euros 500 units. So 500 per unit. Per 100 unit. So this is 500 per 100 units. So this is for
I'll be with kids. Show me the book.
500. That's 2,500 for this. So the ticket can give me one of them book here. Star Wars series. These are the Star Wars series books.
This one. No birthday. I see no birthday. Wow, cheese. Everybody split up a little. This is the way back. The recipe book for this. Hey, careful. Oh, I'm gonna try it before. At school.
Sweets.
That's what it's called. But literally, I've had that sweet before.
You seen this book at school?
No, I've had the food before.
Okay.
My friend Brando.
What else we have? We have more about the brownies already.
Do you have plastic?
If you would like to help us keep the book fair tidy for all the visitors, please do not misplace the books on the shelves. It will greatly help our staff if you can put items that you do not want to purchase back on the shelves where you found them. If you have any questions, please come to the information desk at the center of the book fair. Thank you and have a great day.
Mama?
think I got one that book here, guy. This is a Jamaican. Hold on, find that one here. Alright guys, so I think we need a dictionary for M&M them. So I'll get myself one of them dictionary here. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to find a dictionary, but guess what now? We need a Collins dictionary. And the Collins dictionary what I see is some very small ones. Very small. Get them on. Yeah man, so I look for Collins dictionary guys, but they are fine Collins and go for Oxford Massey in the big size. Collins in very small. So we want to see the Collins dictionary more. leadership. Management and business.
You'll be there tomorrow?
Christian life and devotion. So you guys have the bigger Collins English dictionary?
Collins English Dictionary?
Yeah.
Yes, we have a dictionary.
Bigger ones. Like I'm seeing some small ones.
Yeah, on the table in the middle, if you go this direction, there should be some big ones.
Collins.
Collins. There should be a very large one there.
Alright, so we have a lot of Bibles here. A lot of Bibles.
Please, shoot me down.
The one or two big man. One or two big. Alright, man needs to can manage them big one there.
Let's go this way.
I'm gonna answer this. Besides Collins, I want the big one. I'm gonna say that too big thing, 6-year-old, and then them one here too small. Anyways, walk.
Big one today.
Dog. Oh, come to them.
What's up up here?
Mommy, how to fall down these?
No matter.
But Collins do a lot of different variety of books. Action Bible.
I'm smart. I'm the smartest person ever. You don't want to do that. Careful.
St. John is our team, our family has a reader favorite Bible stories together. Imagine what I'm going to do. I'm thinking of the girl and what
Mommy, want to get one of these? She said no. What's your food? What about you?
But this is a colorful one.
That's not a colorful, that's a sticker. I tell you, listen, you're going to have to pick from this, because I'm not buying all of them. You're going to have to pick.
I want both.
I ain't that rich. Yeah, but not bother.
Mommy, this is a colorful book. This is a colorful so I can put stickers on it. This is a colorful so you can put toys. This one is. I don't know what to do.
Boy, a whole heap of book there, guys. A whole lot of book is here, but I only put it say. And I said, nothing with Jamaican kids would use.
Ladies and gentlemen, we currently don't have enough small change at the cash desk. When you make your purchase, if you are able to use a small change, it will be appreciated. Thank you.
A variety of books, but not the ones that our kids will use in school. Might need a dictionary, but besides dictionary not there. I need ruler, but them ruler here is short. 12-inch ruler I want. How is it that I not find what I want? buy them book. Judge, I want them to buy them dictionary. I think them dictionary good. Alright for 6-year-old. Or too small. I think them dictionary alright for 6-year-old, or I think them too small. But them actually are Collins. Them actually are Collins. I'm not saying Collins. Them actually are Collins and I'm not saying Collins. That's size.
Them are 2.5. The more this. Grade 1 in my boy now. Yeah, I think they work the same.
Yeah, but them actually Collins still.
My son's called Oxford Collins at Oxford next. Oxford next.
Make sure we get one cookbook.
You're not going to find a school book here, so, except probably the Bible and the dictionary. I'm going to answer the dictionary what me want.
Oh, that one dictionary.
Someone has to know dictionary what you want.
Oh, that's very well.
Ren, you got the dictionary for him?
Student workbook.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lorena and I'm from Brazil. Welcome to the Logos Hope, the largest student book fair in the world. We hope you enjoy browsing through selections of books. If you would like to help us keep the book fair tidy for all the visitors, please do not displace the books on the shelves. It will greatly help our staffs if you can push the items that you don't want to push back on the shelf where you found them, or bring to the information desk at the center of the book fair. Thank you and have a great day.
Come here in, Mar. Are you going to swing up the house?
No, don't worry.
Attention parents, we would like to remind you to please keep your children with you all the time, and the children, please stay with your parents all the time. Thank you and enjoy your visit.
Yes, yes.
Well, me, I want to go in there. Come on.
Would you also like to buy a bag or no?
Which card?
Credit cards.
Only credit card?
Only credit cards.
You don't use like these cards? Debit card?
Oh, sorry, we don't accept debit cards.
What you was for this?
Sorry?
$2 US for this?
I can look in a second. We can also park people volunteer for up to 48 hours. And you can come back later for it, and with the receipt you don't have to buy the entrance ticket again.
Alright.
Just bring this receipt with you, and then you'll get your order. Let us see if I got it.
So you don't use debit card, you have to have one, you have to have credit card or pay cash. So all that time I have to come back, guys, for my book them. So that was it. Logos book ship. I have to come back for my book them, guys.
One case large print Bible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do have a nice day, sweetheart. I'm going to that back here. Are you sure? Alright, mom.
Let me get the book. Here's our also.
Receiving an answer?
No, my fucking. Show that side.
One Sudoku, when through literature, if you put it intelligence. Hey! When you go and you take the book up your chance and give it to people. Hey, no go down, you're not there.
Yeah, guys, so that was it for the Logos book ship. I'm gonna pick out some book, but guys, now I left them because guess what? Them not use debit card. I'm gonna come back with cash to pay for them. So them all the book them for you and give you a receipt. So you can just come back for the book them when they're ready. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, alright? You don't know we can't do much video in on the ship like that because you don't know where people stay. But big up on yourself. Until next time, I will come back for the book them, guys. Alright? Later on. Yeah, go on. Oh, sorry. Yeah, guys, so that was the book ship right there. That's the book ship. This is my free books. No, I forgot to go back for the book them. I'm gonna choose because the debit card, they only use cash or credit card. Yeah, guys, so big up on yourself. We're out here and do it, guys. Yeah, man, we're out here and do it, guys. That was the book ship. Make sure, guys, visit. Guys, visit. Make sure to carry cash or credit card. Yeah, make sure to carry cash or credit card because I got them to debit card, alright? Now, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe also. Thumbs up, turn on the post notification bell, and stay tuned.
That's fine. That's what serious means.